Hey guys, Mike Martin here from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Pacific Northwest Nationals Good Guy Show in Puyallup, Washington. And just check out this iconic symbol for the '57 Chevy.
All our time was running the show.
Or is it?
Cars.
This is the incredible creation. This is Randy Miller's car. He basically debuted it here at the Good Guy Show here. And Randy, tell us a little bit about your car.
First of all, this is a 12-year project, and I basically bought a 1956 Chevy from an old high school buddy of mine. Drove the Chevy one time, and then started stripping it down to create my Chevy that I have here now. And we've got a full art Morrison chassis under it. We have a 454 big block Chevy put to 475, pushes about 620 horsepower and about 600 pounds of torque. It's all been fabricated and customized, you might say. We actually took this hood and took a '57 hood, and we combined the two to create this hood for my dream.
Well, it's a beautiful car. Anything else you want to tell us about it?
It's been a long, painstaking phase for this car. Like I say, it's a 12-year project, and I've had a lot of help from a lot of my friends, and we absolutely love the car.
Well, it's a beautiful car. I mean, it's just gorgeous. You've done so many custom things to it, and just walking around it and just taking it all in. This is the debut show for this. I guess you just got this on the road.
Yes, this is the very first show for the car as a completed car. I did take the car to shows during the process of building this car to the Unfinished Nationals in Elma, Washington. And every one of those shows I took it to, people were just all over it for my creation.
Well, I can see why. Again, a gorgeous car, just some great detail work done on it. Guys, thanks again for sharing that with us. Randy, I hope you have a wonderful show. It's a gorgeous car. There's so many things. The camera doesn't do it justice. Guys, if you're in the area, be sure to get out to the Good Guys Nationals here in Puyallup, Washington. Lots of beautiful cars. Thanks, Randy, for your time.
Thank you very much, Mark.